What if I told you that while your friends are still debating whether to invest in that overpriced flat in Gurgaon, you could be building multiple income streams from your laptop? I'm Aswad, and today I'm sharing 5 passive income ideas that actually work for Indians, no lakhs of rupees required upfront. First, dividend paying stocks and mutual funds. With apps like Zerodha and Grower, you can start with just 500 rupees. Focus on consistent dividend paying companies like ITC or HDFC Bank. Second, create digital courses. Whether it's teaching English, coding, or even cooking regional dishes, platforms like Udemy and Teachable let you earn while you sleep. One good course can generate income for years. Third, peer-to-peer lending through platforms like Faircent or Lending Club. You can lend small amounts and earn higher returns than traditional savings accounts. Fourth, start a YouTube channel or blog about something you're passionate about. It takes time to build, but once monetized, it's truly passive income. Finally, try affiliate marketing. You promote products or services online and earn a commission for every sale made through your link. Platforms like Amazon Associates or Flipkart Partner Program are easy ways to start. The key is starting small, being consistent, and learning as you go. Don't be afraid to experiment with different ideas. Pick one idea that resonates with you. Take the first step and give yourself time to see results. Start this week, even if it's just a small action. Your future self will thank you for taking that first step and building your passive income journey. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe for more practical money tips.